Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Recreating. I know it's been a while, guys. I apologize. I just had a lot of things going on in my life. I have new customs to show off. I'm gonna start off with El Mysterio from the NECA Archie Comics. Stay tuned. All right, guys. As you guys can see, this is El Mysterio. This is obviously Crying Hound from the TMNT Archie comic books. It's Crying Hound dressed up as El Mysterio. So it's a whole new sculpt. Well, it's not a new sculpt. It's the exact same sculpt with the new face sculpt is what it is. It's a brand new face sculpt, as you guys can see. This is a custom figure I made for a friend of mine. I was going to make this eventually. I was just waiting for the prices of Crying Hound to go down. The original Crying Hound, which is this guy, and I'll put them side by side in a little bit so you guys can see the differences. But I was just waiting for the prices to go down to purchase it, to make my own custom. But a friend of mine reached out to me and he said that he wanted his own. So I was like, okay, why not? It's a win-win. I get paid for one of these figures and I get to make one of these figures. So, it's a win-win for me. As you guys can see, it's basically the same figure as the original one, which is this guy. If I could stand them up. These guys are always super top heavy. I'll put them side by side. You guys can see the differences. As you guys can tell, it's a whole completely different head sculpt. It looks completely different if you guys look at it, but it's the same figure. I did some changes, some modifications on the underwear, of course, of the Speedos. And it just has a little tidy Speedo underwear there instead of this latex looking one-piece swimsuit. But yeah, those are the main. Oh, the main differences, of course, is the head sculpt and the little Speedos there. But other than that, it's basically the same figure. It just repainted the whole thing. He does have his little M there. For those of you who are gonna ask in the comment section, I know I'm gonna get some people saying in the comment section, "Where is the M? He has an M in his chest," and blah blah blah. But anyways, the reason why I went with this color was because I wanted to bring out those muscles, so I gave it a better tone with I sprayed some darker colors in there with the airbrush, to make those muscles pop out even more. So you guys can see in the back, those muscles look muscular. Those muscles are popping out. I did like this, but I ended up going with this because it is a custom figure, and I thought I'd make it a little bit different than what NECA was going to come out with. So he liked it. The person that requested this liked it, so I was like, hey, cool, he likes it, that's all that matters. But the face is on a ball joint, so you could do the exact same thing as this face over here. You can look up, sideways, and blah blah blah. All the articulation is exactly the same. Of course, you're gonna get some paint rub here and there because his joints are pretty stinking tight, so you will get a little bit of paint rub here and there, but nothing major. I mean, if you guys look at NECA figures, they're prone to paint rub. A lot of their figures, you get a lot of those joint paint rubs, so there's no difference there. So I did make the hands. I did paint the other hands for him. So those are the other hands. It's hard to see it because of the glare, but all the other hands are painted. So those will go along with it. He did purchase a figure and he sent it to me, and then I customized it. So keep that in mind. If you guys want me to customize your figure, you could either send me your figure so it could be a little bit cheaper. I'll discount the price of the figure. If you guys want me to buy the figure and then customize it, of course it's gonna be more expensive because I have to spend more money on it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in it, please let me know. I really thought this character is really cool, and I've been wanting to make him for a while, like I mentioned earlier. And I did have my ring here, as you guys can see there. It's not finished because I sold my last one. I sold it. I didn't want to get rid of it, but some guy really wanted it, so I was like, all right, cool, the money talks, so I ended up giving him mine, or selling him mine, I should say. So he got mine, the one that I had in display. So I did print out a new one, but it's not finished. I'm still, if you guys could hear that noise, that humming noise in the background, that's me printing out the rest of the stuff. so I can make a new one for my display. Yeah, anyways, that's side by side with this guy. And let me show you side by side with the Mikey Stump Arena figures. So there he is. There's Mikey with him. So you guys could do, you know, different poses or whatever. Yeah. These Stump Arena turtles, these rings, I am gonna make more. If you guys are interested, I will make more. I finally got new filaments, so if you guys want one for yourselves, they are gonna be a little bit cheaper than I was selling them back then. So you just have to pay for shipping, and it's like $60 less than what it originally was. So so yeah, if you guys want to get your hands on one of these Stump Arena turtle rings, check out my other video, my previous video on how I made this and displaying it and stuff like that. It'll be on my list of videos. If you guys want one for yourself, it's $60 less than what I originally was selling them for. So if you guys want to get your hands on them, now is the time to get your hands on them. If you guys want me to make these figures for you, one of these customized El Mysterio for you guys, let me know, and send me an email, same as my username, which is rickcreating@gmail.com. So yeah, send me a message there and let me know if you guys want either a ring or a Mysterio figure. So anyways, yeah, that's it. I do have a lot of more customs to come, guys, so stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, subscribe if you guys want to see more custom figures from me. All right, guys, so that's gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was a little bit of a short video. I just wanted to, you know, show this guy off, let you guys know that I'm back. I have a lot more custom figures to show off. If you guys are interested in them and stuff like that, send me an email. I am back on Instagram, so if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I will leave a link down below. You guys can follow me on Instagram. I'll show pictures of all these things that I have available for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, because if you guys do, guess what? You guys will see me on the next one. Peace.